his show. He liked watching people walking up and down the road. The road was dusty and there were many potholes. The cars and trucks had to move slowly. Mrs. Wario was returning home from the market. Suddenly she slipped and fell. Her basket and all the vegetables rolled on the ground. Mr. Patel ran to help her. I cannot stand up, asked Mr. Patel. I have hurt my ankle and I have a bruise on my hand. This is not good, said Mr. Patel. I am going to run. The road was smooth and there were no more potholes. Mr. Patel was in his shop. Suddenly there was a screech of brakes and a crash. Mr. Patel ran outside. Mrs. Wario was lying on the road again. Her basket was on the ground. What happened? Are you hurt? He asked. The cars were going too fast, said Mrs. Wario. She sat up and rubbed her head. But I am all right, she said. You have to look carefully before you walk across the road, said Mr. Patel. Although our road has no potholes, it is still dangerous. Now that we have a smooth road, cars go faster. We always have to be careful and look right and left and right again before we walk across the road. I think we need a zebra crossing, said Mrs. Wario. Or traffic lights, or a police officer to make sure cars keep to the speed limit. This town is not a safe place with this new road. Perhaps we can make some potholes.
That is nice. That is a nice reading. There are some new words that we learned yesterday in our oral lesson that you are not pronouncing nicely. Maybe you can say them after me. Like the word suddenly. Say that.
Suddenly.
Again.
Suddenly.
Smooth.
Smooth.
Potholes.
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 Carefully.
Carefully.
Then traffic lights.
Traffic lights.
Traffic lights.
Traffic lights.
It's a long story. You have gone through it. And if I ask you questions now from the story, can you be able to answer them?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Then we can try to answer them orally today without writing them in our exercise books. For example, what did Mr. Patel like doing? What did Mr. Patel like doing? What Moses?
He liked watching people walking up and down the road.
Say it loudly so that Dan can hear.
I like watching people walking up and down the road.
Beautiful. Is that the correct answer?
Yes.
That is nice. Then the next one.
Why did the cars move slowly down the road?
Ask that question. Why did the cars move slowly down the road? What was happening? Why did they do so? Neema?
Cars were moving slowly because there were potholes.
Have you heard what she has said?
Yes.
Dan, have you heard what she has said? He has not heard your answer. Who else can speak? Say the answer so loudly so that the whole class can hear. Michael?
The cars were moving slowly because there were too many potholes.
Because there were?
Too many potholes.
Beautiful. How many of you have seen potholes on the road? As come to school, in a matatu, or even you on a bicycle? You come along many potholes on the road? Huh? And yesterday we said that when it has rained, most of the potholes are filled with what?
Water.
Then what happens to people as you walk along the road? What might happen to you? Huh? No, the potholes can't make one fall. Let's say the potholes. Huh? Who can tell me what will happen? One of your feet might go inside the pothole, then you might fall down. So be careful when you are walking on the road, and especially when it has rained. The potholes are filled with water, so we cannot see them clearly. And the third question, what happened to Mrs. Wario when she fell the first time? What happened to her? Twice. So what happened to her when she fell the first time? Want a zebra crossing. Why does Mrs. Wario want a zebra crossing? You want to look for the answer? Then you give. What is a zebra crossing? It's a place. Yes. It's a place where people are supposed to cross the road, where we don't run. Then why does she want a zebra crossing? Who has an answer to that? She fell down 2 times. Why do you think she wants a zebra crossing? Jeff? You have an answer. Agnes? Huh? Because cars go fast? Any other answer? Any other answer? What happens at the zebra crossing with cars? Do they also go very fast at that point? No. Yesterday we said that even drivers, when they drive towards the zebra crossing and they have reached that point, what happens to them? They stop or they slow down to see whether people are crossing. If people are crossing at that point, the cars have to stop and wait. That is the best place for even young ones like you to cross the road. Isn't it?
Yes.
And the last question, do you think Mrs. Wario really wants potholes? Huh? Put up your hands, okay, no? Why? Why? She doesn't like them, she doesn't want them. Why? Why do you think she doesn't really want them? Potholes. Even me, I wouldn't like potholes on the road. Too many of them.